Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use Google Sheets on a mobile phone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the first thing we have to do now is just go open the Google Sheet application. And here is the look when you already open the Google Sheet. And for the next thing, we just need to make sure that the account that we use for logged in for the Google Sheet is the same thing as the account that we use for work. It's just to make you an easier to do a collaboration with your work team. And after you already use the correct account for your Google Sheets to work, you just need to go click this plus button here to create the new documents. And now you just need to type or input in the titles for the documents. And here, let's say I would like to use work 3. And after that, just click create. So now you have an access to work in your documents here. So working with the Google Sheets means that you will be working with cells. So what is cells actually? Cells is the combination between the column and rows. So the column will be drawn by the alphabet, like A, B, C, D, and so on, while the rows is the part that drawn by the number. So the cells is the combinations between the columns and the rows. So whenever I click this part, so means that we will work with the B and 3 cells. So this combination between columns B and row 3. And after that, if you want to do collaborations with your team work, you just need to go click this part to add the collaborations with. And after that, just need to click these 3 small dots and go click the manage and access. In this manage and access, just need to change the restricted part into the anyone with a link. And after you got this, you just need to change the viewers into the editor so that your team will be able to edit the documents that you share. Whenever all of this is already changed, you just need to click this part to copy the link. Now you just need to send the link into your teamwork by WhatsApp or email. So that's all the way how to use Google Sheet in a mobile phone. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.